My name is Chris Lynch, and I'm director on set today. We've just arrived.
Okay, so now we need to do this bit.
Plus.
Allow while using app.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Or do I need to tick them all?
Got the docking station. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Toniebox ID. Ah, so that's underneath.
Ah, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
VCR.
VCR.
Yeah.
VCR. Edison's.
Yeah.
Name of the house of your household. Oh god. Does that mean? Goodall?
We always just call it Tips, don't we?
Yeah. Tips. Pinch both ears for about 5 seconds until you hear the audio tone and the LED light flashes blue. Wait for 20 seconds to hear the audio tone again. Once you hear that, you can tap to continue.
Right. Okay, shall we listen? So we pinch the ears
So pinch both ears.
to get towards each other.
Yeah, so you need 2 hands, sweetheart. Don't we hold your phone? No, so you pinch them. Yeah, like that. Hold on, let me come on.
I'm enjoying this more than you, Eddie.
Yeah, so pinch both ears.
You can feel like a little thing in them.
That's it, and then you can let go. Now it's blue. And then it said wait for 20 seconds. And then more fruits. I think there will be more fruits, sweetheart. Yeah, so wait for about 20 seconds until you hear audio tone again. More fruits. Press continue. So now it's just saying, oh, to join the network.
Oh, yeah.
So now we'll join. Wow. And we're that top one, aren't we? 5R.
Yeah, yeah. He's going to pop the thing in. Stop that too.
Do you know where our password is?
Yeah.
God, your camera needs cleaning or something, babe.
Oh, you okay, Eddie?
So it's that password, isn't it?
Yeah, E, G, E.
And then lowercase.
Yeah, QRH. And capital XP. Lowercase g. 7. All lowercase U, G, Q, R.
U, G, Q, R. Oh, you've got to wait for him. So he's going to say great. Oh, okay, he's ready. He's never
it's flashing red. Don't know how you tell them.
Okay, so he's. Do you turn him up? How do you turn him up?
I don't know. Do. What's he saying on there?
Well, it's saying your Tonie reports the code word hedgehog. This may indicate there's a connection problem with the router. Please wait at least 3 minutes to see if it can be established.